Understanding Post-Workshop Survey for English Learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language to help you learn and improve every day. Today, we're exploring a very specific but important phrase, post-workshop survey. This might sound a bit formal at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand not just the meaning but also why it's significant in various learning and professional settings. So, let's get started. To fully grasp the concept, we need to break down the phrase into its components: post, workshop, and survey. Post is a prefix meaning after. So, anything that is described as post happens after a particular event or time. Workshop refers to a meeting or an event where a group of people engage in intensive discussion or activity on a particular subject or project. Workshops are often interactive and designed for the participants to learn or create something new. Survey is a method of gathering information, opinions, or feedback from people. This is usually done through a series of questions. Therefore, a post-workshop survey is a survey conducted after a workshop to collect feedback, opinions, or information from the participants about their experience. Understanding the importance of a post-workshop survey can highlight its value in educational and professional environments. 1. Feedback for improvement. These surveys provide critical feedback that organizers can use to improve future workshops. It's all about understanding what worked, what didn't, and how things can be better. 2. Measuring effectiveness. They help in assessing how effective the workshop was in achieving its goals. Did the participants learn what they were supposed to? Were the activities engaging? 3. Participant reflection. Filling out the survey allows participants to reflect on their learning and experiences. This reflection is a crucial part of the learning process. If you ever participate in a workshop, here's how you should approach the post-workshop survey. Be honest. Your honest feedback is invaluable. It helps in making meaningful changes. Be constructive. If there was something you didn't like, try to suggest how it could be improved. Reflect. Use the survey as an opportunity to reflect on what you learned and how you can apply it. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and importance of post-workshop survey. Understanding such phrases not only helps in improving your English language skills but also prepares you for participating effectively in various learning and professional settings. Remember, your feedback matters, and it contributes to a continuous cycle of improvement and learning. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.